Hi, buddy.
Why does everyone wear tights at like medieval fairs and shit like that?
I don't know.
They didn't have fucking spandex back then.
You're funny, Josh.
No, they didn't. I mean, come on. Where did that come from?
It was probably made out of some other kind of material.
Like what?
I don't know. We should look it up. Tony. Antonio. He really likes that bottle cap, Josh. And the bottom stair. There he goes. Gosh, I can't believe how strong he is. Oh no. He's trying to get on the stair. Like, wow. Josh, look at him. He is determined to get that cap.
Where did he put it up this time?
What?
Where did he put it this time? Just on the first step?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I know I let you down. But you know who else we let down? You let
Look at that. Yeah. You're an 8-month-old baby. Look at that. Oh my God, Josh, look. Holy cow. He's on his...
I want to get closer to him, sweetheart.
Hi. This is the first time doing that. Josh, I'm recording. Look at you, buddy. And your bodyguard's keeping you company. How sweet. Look at you. I wish I had a camera. That'd be such a cute picture. Josh, we need to get a camera.
Okay.
Alright, everyone. Look at this baby. It's my baby. I love you.